Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage. Today I'm going to talk about friendship and food, and I'm going to show you my Osso Buco recipe. If you haven't heard of Osso Buco, it's a cut of meat from the cow from the upper shanks of their legs. And it's usually a cheaper cut of meat. However, I find it really difficult to get at certain times of the year. So it's good if you're putting half a cow away in your freezer, you'll come across your Osso Buco. And some people don't always know what to do with it. And this recipe is so easy that you'll just be waiting for a cold rainy day to make it. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to buy Osso Buco for a while. And yesterday, a dear friend of mine, Fiona, gave me some Osso Buco from her cow that she had in her freezer, which was a lovely surprise. And I'm so thrilled because they are beautiful cuts of the Osso Buco. And the recipe I'm going to show you today is actually a recipe that I got from another friend, a lovely lady I used to work for called Jill. And she shared this with me when she was making it for a dinner party. And I was so impressed with how easy it was that I've been making it ever since, and it's so delicious. My meat is a little bit frozen still. It's been in the fridge since yesterday, defrosting slowly, but I'll set it up in the slow cooker and it will start to defrost, and I'll break it up, making sure it's under all the liquid. I've got this lovely bottle of local Merlot that will be perfect in this recipe. I like to use Merlot, but you can use Shiraz if you prefer Shiraz, and if you don't drink wine, then you could use a bone broth or a stock. I'm using a quart of home canned tomatoes. You could use canned crushed tomatoes, and I'll leave the measurements below in the recipe in the description. I use 2 big spoonfuls of crushed garlic, but you can use as much as you like. And then I add in my tomato paste. Just give that a bit of a mix in. Obviously I can't mix it all in just yet because the meat's still stuck together. So we'll just pop the lid on and come back to that. On my cast iron fry pan, I'm going to put my onion that's already chopped. I chop mine in advance and I keep it in the freezer. So when I have all my onions come in, they get chopped up then, and then I just freeze them, and that's how I preserve them until I'm ready to use them. I let them steam and get some of the water and moisture out for a while, and then I add the butter so that I can slowly brown them. Make sure your temperature's not too hot because you don't want to burn them. I've separated the Osso Buco and now it's mostly under the liquid, and I'll just add the onions into that. Now all you need to do is put the lid on and set the slow cooker to low and wait. Food is an intricate part of life. It's not just about providing nutrients, energy, or even comfort. Food is also about community, friendship, and memories. Many foods and recipes have stories linked to them, especially ones from childhood where someone special would make something for us. Tell me one of your favourite food memories in the comments below. Everyone has one, and I'd love to hear them. It's been cooking for 9 hours and it's starting to fall off the bone and break up a little bit. I might leave it for another 3 hours and then it will be ready. It's been 12 hours and it's ready to add the chopped herbs of your choice. Today I'm using parsley, and you just let that cook in there for a couple of minutes just to wilt a little bit. So if you mix it in, and then it's ready to serve. Today I'll be serving it on a bed of mashed potatoes. And that's my Osso Buco recipe. And as always, if you have any questions or other comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.